Intriguing question. Most people debunking the no fights myth. Why avoiding conflict actually creates distance and resentment in relationships. The common misconception that happy couples never argue and why it's harmful. How suppressed emotions inevitably resurface in unhealthy ways. The anatomy of a healthy disagreement. Shifting from an adversarial mindset to a collaborative problem-solving approach. The crucial role of active listening and validating your partner's perspective, even if you disagree. Setting boundaries and ground rules for respectful communication during conflict. Turning conflict into connection. Using disagreements as opportunities to understand each other's needs and values more deeply. The power of shared vulnerability and admitting when you're wrong or hurt. Developing empathy and appreciating your partner. Practical strategies for productive arguments. The feel statements, expressing your emotions without blame. Taking a time out, knowing when to pause and regroup before re-engaging. Focusing on the issue, not the person, avoiding personal attacks and criticisms. Building a resilient relationship through conflict. How navigating disagreements successfully builds trust and strengthens the bond. The long-term benefits of healthy conflict resolution for relationship longevity. A call to action. Embracing disagreements as stepping stones to deeper love and understanding. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more stories.